And then Kevin, his dad, gets a job at the Jawbreaker factory.
Oh yeah.
And they're like,
Really? Really? I open a fucking can with a hunting knife and it gives me 15%.
15?
I open a can with a splitting axe and it gives me 100%. Are you kidding me? Like, are you kidding me?
He's broken.
Hell, dude.
He's broken, bro. He's broken.
Like, what the hell, man?
He's broken.
That doesn't make sense. Like, at all. Jeez.
You know, it kind of makes sense. It's kind of
And
funny.
I open another can, and guess what it gives me?
100%.
98%.
That's great.
98.
It's so
and a fucking
great.
knife gives me fucking 11%.
Well, you know, Dylan. You know. Bears, you know.
Bears, you know. Yeah. Jeez, man. Jeez.
Well, bears, you know, man. I mean, you never remember bears.
God damn it. This doesn't make sense.
What is this world coming to?
This is what coming to.
We can't even open anything with a knife anymore. I don't understand.
You can't even improvise. What's the meaning of life?
The improvising is a lie. It's not an improvise.
It's not true. What's
Dylan,
the meaning of life?
Dylan, it's not an improvise. No. I just ate a thing of powder. I ate some some powdered milk.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. Oh. Kaus is back. His keyboard went off. Chris, I know you can hear us. Dylan wants to know if you want to go to Denny's. Hello?
Maybe he can't hear us.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Who are you?
Hello.
Hello?
Is Dave
Well,
still there?
hello there.
Dave?
No, Dave muted himself again.
Fuck him.
Dave doesn't believe in being retarded on a game.
Obviously.
He believes that this dick should be in his mouth all the time. What's funny is that he can't fucking hear us, so it makes it perfect.
This is Dave. Blah, 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 blah. David, blah, 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 blah.
What the fuck? So, blah, blah.
Blah, 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 blah.
What?
David, I don't believe in that shit. That's fucking... I don't believe in that stupid shit. That shit should... Fuck that fucking bullshit. Bullshit.
Man, fuck your shit.
Man, fuck your bullshit ass. Damn it. I'm trying to be serious here and you're all being...
Oh.
Don't you get, David, that I'm trying to be...
I have an anti...
Why does it sound like you're slowly dying?
Oh.
What the fuck?
That was great.
Perfect timing.
What the fuck did I just fucking hear?
Oh.
Hey. What's going on?
No. Oh. Oh.
Anyway.
Fuck. What the hell are you guys doing?
Hey Dylan.
Oh
Hey
my
Dylan.
God.
Dylan.
David, can't you see that I'm trying to...
What are you doing? Stupid.
Listen, Dylan.
Oh, God.
Dylan, I'm trying to.
Stop. It's annoying.
Oh, I'm
Oh.
gonna die.
Oh, my stomach.
What
Oh.
are you doing? Tell me.
Exactly.
Oh.
Exactly.
What
David,
the fuck happened?
David, we're doing.
What the hell are you fucking
Oh.
doing?
Dave,
Stupid.
can't you see we're obviously...
Knock it off. Oh my
Dylan, I'm
God.
on my way.
The
Do you have the?
Oh my God.
Okay, we need to take a break. We have to take a break.
What the
Oh.
hell are you doing? Fuck.
Oh, I think my
that
throat's
all about?
bleeding.
What
Oh.
the hell?
Whew.
Dave. What the hell? What the Dave! What the fuck? Laughing about? What is this about? Dave! What the fuck are you doing?
Oh.
Dave, okay, here's the simplest answer I can give you. Okay?
No! You're not fucking snore again.
No, I'm gonna answer this as seriously as possible. Alright?
Huh?
Seriously.
That was perfect timing, dude. We're seriously gonna. Oh. Is someone fapping on the other end of this line?
I was clapping.
Dave, what the fuck?
Oh, I think my throat's bleeding. Oh.
Oh, maybe you should fucking tell me what the hell's going on.
That's what's going on.
You're not making any fucking sense.
We're making Dave. We're making sense.
Dave,
Oh.
if you keep doing that, I'm never gonna play this goddamn game again.
Oh.
Okay,
Fuck.
Dave, in all seriousness.
Fine.
Oh.
Asshole. Shut up.
Oh.
Disconnected from your channel.
Oh.
Did he just leave?
He left.
Because of that?
He left.
He seriously just leave because of that.
Oh, hold on.
David,
He
did
left.
He seriously
He
just-
seriously just left. Oh. If Chris ever comes back, we need to do that to him too.
Just be like, okay, Chris. So, I found.
God, this is one of those moments I wish I at least
He'd be
had
like-
one
he'd be
person
like,
in the
what?
stream.
What the fuck? He'd be like, what? What the fuck? Chris, you don't understand. I'm trying to tell you that I.
Was that a fart? Did you just fart? No, Dylan, I said that.
You don't understand what I'm trying to say to you, man. You just don't.
I don't.
Who's that out here? Who is it?
That's Chris. That's coming from Chris's mic.
Who is it? I mean, it's like is that like his sister or something?
It's his mom.
Oh. Hey, Chris's mom.
Oh. I think he's coming back. He's coming
Alright,
back.
alright.
Those are like little kids.
It sounds like it, doesn't it?
Yeah. Oh,
I can't believe David
coming,
laughed
he's coming,
because of
he's
that. Okay,
Oh.
okay.
don't know what he's doing. It sounds like he's
You
like
hear yet?
fapping. Hello? Chris? Dude, I can't believe he left. Let's see if he's still on DayZ. He's not even on DayZ anymore.
Wow, what pansy. I thought I heard his voice for a second. I can't believe Dave fucking left. Just cause we wouldn't
What the
tell
fuck is
him.
with my phone?
Like, what the fuck? It's ridiculous.
What are y'all?
I'm making a video of it. Well, you see, Chris,
Chris.
we're...
Alright, Chris, in all seriousness, we were.
I guess it's an inside joke.
Okay, so we were making fun of Dave, and he goes, Dylan's all, Dave, I don't appreciate that. And like, as soon as he starts saying something, David comes back in right as he snarls. And we just
He's
sit there
like,
for like 5 minutes just snarling at him.
Oh,
And-
you and
Me and
he's
Dylan.
like, what the fuck?